Ortholite is a leading insole manufacturing company in Vietnam. We always make the best quality products for our customers and always want to ensure the highest level of safety for all of you. Where no one is injured, people return home safe and healthy after each working day. At Ortholite, we are constantly improving the working environment and the safety of machines and equipment. Your safety is our top priority. Ensure all risks in the production process are identified and evaluated to eliminate or minimize as much as possible damage to people, property, and adverse impacts on health and the environment. Our motto is, employees are the most valuable assets of Ortholite. We would like to share with you 7 EHS topics when working at Ortholite Vietnam, include Part 1, Environmental Protection. Part 2, Safety of Internal Traffic. Part 3, Machine and Electrical Safety. Part 4, Chemical Safety. Part 5, Fire Prevention and Fighting. Part 6, Personal Protective Equipment. Part 7, Reporting Incidents, Occupational Accidents. Let's start. Part 1, Environmental Protection. Everybody is affected by environmental issues. By developing sustainable practices within your workplace, we can help protect the planet for future generations. We aim for sustainable development. Waste generated is collected and treated up to standards. Use renewable energy sources with solar energy, a clean source. Raising awareness of environmental protection with healthy fun events. Sustainable development with our suppliers. Let's join hands to protect the environment with the following actions. Use energy efficiently, turn off electricity and water when not in use, sorting waste at the source, regularly clean your work area. Part 2, Safety of Internal Traffic. To ensure safety, all types of motorcycles are not allowed to circulate on the internal roads of the factory. You should always walk on the pedestrian walkways and watch for vehicles moving around you, such as forklifts or trucks. Pay attention when crossing roads and intersections. Do not run, jump, play. Do not use phones or similar devices when moving. When moving into the workshop, walk on the aisles marked with yellow lines. Do not work on aisles or block aisles with goods, machinery, or equipment. Part 3, Machine and Electrical Safety. The following regulations should be observed. Workers are only allowed to operate machinery when assigned by their manager and trained in safe operation. Always check machine before working. Do not use compressed air to blow on the body. Always use appropriate personal protective equipment. Do not attempt to repair or change parts of the machine. Turn off machine when not in use. If machine is damaged, notify your manager immediately so it can be checked by qualified personnel. Keep a safe distance from hazard zones of machinery, such as moving parts, belts, nip points, pinch points, hot surfaces, working area of saw blades, cutters, sharp objects. Safeguards are essential for protecting workers from these preventable injuries. Do not operate the machine when safeguards are damaged or missing. Stay focused and do not joke while working. Turn off the machine and wait for it to stop completely before cleaning, adjusting, or repairing. Comply with regulations and safety warning signs. In the factory, electricity is used to power production machinery, light, and operate ancillary systems. Therefore, without safety control measures, electrical incidents are very likely to occur, such as electric shock, burn, injury from fall, fire, and explosion, even death. To prevent unsafe incidents caused by electricity, you need to follow the following regulations. Check electrical equipment and machinery before using. Keep a safe distance from the electric power source. Follow instructions for using electrical equipment. Do not open electrical cabinets. Do not repair or connect electrical equipment. The floor is always dry, no standing water. Turn off electrical equipment when not in use. Do not go near power stations or electrical cabinets. Disconnect power, warning tags, lock safety, and wear appropriate personal protective equipment before servicing. Part 4, Chemical Safety. Working with chemicals, directly or indirectly, has the potential to be dangerous for you. To prevent chemical-related incidents, the following should be observed. Chemicals must have a chemical safety data sheet, MSDS, secondary containers. Chemicals are clearly labeled. Do not use eating utensils to contain chemicals. Chemicals must be covered when not in use. Use appropriate personal protective equipment, masks, glasses, gloves. Do not eat or drink in areas where chemicals are in use or stored. Chemicals must be arranged neatly. Prepare tools to respond to chemical spills, such as protective clothing, brooms, dry sand. When chemicals splash into your eyes, walk quickly and calmly to the nearest emergency eye wash station, and flush your eyes for 10 to 15 minutes, then go to the clinic room to be examined. Part 5, Fire Prevention and Fighting. To avoid the risk of fire and explosion, respond promptly and effectively when incidents occur. Fire prevention and fighting work are always focused and specially monitored. You need to comply with the following regulations. Control heat sources. Do not smoke, cook, use open flames in workshop. Ensure that there is a strict monitoring mechanism for hot works such as welding and cutting. Always keep the exit door, always clear and unobstructed. Do not obstruct fire extinguishers, fire alarms, fire hydrants. Keep flammable materials away from electrical cabinets. Smoking in the right place. When you hear the fire alarm being activated, stay calm and listen to instructions of emergency response team. If there is no fire, you can return to work as normal. If there is a fire, please evacuate to assembly points for roll call. Only return to building after being notified by management. If you discover a fire, stay calm, press the fire alarm, shout to notify everyone, turn off the power. If it's a small fire, you can use the fire extinguisher to extinguish the fire. Step 1, pun the safety pin. Step 2, aim at the base of the fire. Step 3, squeeze the handle. Step 4, sweep side to side. Part 6, Personal Protective Equipment. Depending on your task, you will be using appropriate PPE. You should note the following: use correct types of PPE, use it properly, always use during work, and maintain the personal protective equipment assigned. Part 7, Reporting Incidents, Occupational Accidents. Unsafe and careless acts by employees and insecure work conditions are majorly responsible for occupation-related accidents. Near-miss reporting is needed to eliminate potential hazards by ensuring that unsafe conditions, unsafe behaviors, or near accidents are proactively reported to facilitate quick action to prevent its recurrence. Enables early intervention and provides leading indicators for reducing workplace incidents. Near-miss and accident differ only in location and time. A near-miss today could be an accident tomorrow, so please report it to us in the following ways. First way, use QR code, message, phone, Zayla. Second way, report directly to managers and safety officers. Third way, via suggestion box. You have gone through 7 basic safety topics when working at Ortholite Vietnam. Working safely and preventing accident is our responsibility. Keep these regulations to be productive and to come home safely every day. Your safety is our happiness. Let's work safely for your loved ones.